Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you pair your Wi-Fi network in your Infinix phone guys. How can you pair guys your Wi-Fi network in your Infinix phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends how can you pair it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're new in my channel, so guys first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys now time to start video friends. How can we pair our Wi-Fi network in Infinix phone? First of all guys open your phone setting to pair your Wi-Fi network. After that guys you can see guys your Wi-Fi setting. So just click on your Wi-Fi setting guys on your Wi-Fi from here. So which Wi-Fi network guys you want to pair in your Infinix phone guys, you can see guys there are many types of Wi-Fi network, and guys you want to add network, so guys you can add from here. So guys you can see guys I will pair guys this Mukesh 5G guys, so I will enter password here guys. Guys you can check your password from here guys. Connect to pair. Then guys you can see obtain IP address, then guys it will pair in your phone, and guys you can see Wi-Fi has paired, and guys you can use your Wi-Fi like guys you can use guys your YouTube, Instagram, like Chrome app like that WhatsApp without your mobile data. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Wi-Fi network in our Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.